Okay, here I'm going to show you how to set up booklet printing on the Canon Imagerunner 7095. This is a 90 page or 95 page per minute machine. Here I have a booklet set up as a 4-page document. I have already printed the cover from a color machine, so I'm going to insert the cover. I'm going to insert the cover. So I did not include the pages in this document. So this is a 4-page booklet, but actually the finished booklet will have 8 pages. So it's an 8-page booklet. So for the purpose of explanation, I've created a 4-page booklet, and the page size is 5.5 by 8.5. Otherwise, it's known as statement size. Okay, first you go to File and you go to Print Setup. You select the printer, which is Canon IR7095 PCL6. You can select the PostScript version, it does not matter. It's your personal preference. Okay, and then paper size statement. Source, I've loaded my paper in drawer 3, which is like a letter reduction feeding tray. And then I leave it as portrait because my document is set up as portrait. You click OK. Now you go to print and you select the same printer, and then you go to properties, and the page size you select statement, and the output size you want to select letter. Then if you already have a booklet set up, a profile set up for booklet, then you will show up here. If not, you won't show up here. Like I have booklet already set up, but assuming that you have not set it up, it won't be here. So let's ignore this first, and then you go to paper source. You click paper source. You select drawer 3, and then you okay, I'm going to skip this step and go to finishing. I'm going to show you something. Okay, I go to finishing, and then I'll click on print style. The default showing is one-sided printing. When I click on it, booklet printing is grayed out. So if you look carefully, it's grayed out. So you cannot select that. There is a reason why, and I'm going to show you. Okay, since you cannot select this, so let me go back to paper source. If you go to paper source, I click on drawer 3, which is fine. Then I go to front and back cover settings. You click on this. Somehow it was set only back cover. If that is the case, click on it and select front cover. And then in the front cover, you select paper source as inserter 1. Okay, so you have inserter 1 selected, then you click OK. Now you go back to finishing. and you select print style, and voila, booklet printing is black. It's not grayed out like before. So you can select booklet printing. And then I have to check this shadow stitch. If you have a trimmer, then you select the trim width. Since I don't have a trimmer, so it is grayed out, so you cannot select that. And then if you go in the booklet setting here, I will just leave everything as is, and you can specify gutter. Somehow I find that 0.2 seems to work out the best, so I check this and leave it as 0.2 gutter setting, and I click OK. Now this is all set up, so I can click OK. Now in the print dialog box, I can set however number of pages. So if I want to print 5, I make sure this is check collate, and then you just click OK. So now it's ripping. It just sent to the printer. So now I'm going to go over to the printer and make sure all the settings are correct. Okay. Okay, so I have sent the job to the printer, and it is flashing a warning sign that something needs to be attended to. The reason is because the cover is not put in the inserter properly. So let's go to the inserter. Inserter 1 is this top inserter. This is inserter 2. So we have to insert a cover, and let me get a cover. Okay, I have a cover now, and this is just a mock-up cover. F for front, B for back. Inside left, inside right. The way you put it in is you put it upside down with the inside cover facing up, upside down. So you put it in there, adjust your guides, and then you go to the machine and select letter reduction, and then you click next, and then you click the type of paper. If you have a heavy cover stock, you select heavy. Since that is plain paper, I select plain, and then I click OK. And now it's printing. It is going to pull that paper, and it's going to come out right here. So I'm going to pick it up and check. Front cover. And here you are, booklet done. If you find that your pages are in the reverse order, it is because it was accidentally set to reverse. So let me go back to the computer and set it up, and you'll see that when I go to print, reverse pages was accidentally checked. So this should be unchecked. If you uncheck this, your page order won't be reversed. So this is not a problem. I just forgot to set it back. There was a reason why I did that early on in the previous job. So this is just to demonstrate, to tell you that. So there you go. This is how you set up a booklet printing job using an inserter. Thank you for watching. If you like it, click subscribe. Thank you.